You mentioned that the Azeri government persecutes two Armenian billionaires. Is after two Armenian billionaires, one is in captivity in Azerbaijan, the other in... Could you dwell more on that? What are the parallels between these two cases?
I think all of us have to ask that question. Because there are some implications to this. What was discussed between the leader of Azerbaijan and the leader of Armenia? Why are these two leading Armenians in jail? But this is speculation, but it's something I intend to explore. Because the detention of Karapetyan is inexplicable. I can't imagine that Pashinyan believes somehow this is in his interest. There must be something else. Attacking the church so closely after what happened in Nagorno-Karabakh. There are many lines that can be drawn. I'm not going to do that here, but I'm going to study it. And I ask everyone in the media to study it.